What do churches and lasers have in common? Pew! Pew! Hey everyone, welcome back to C-Tech Studios. I'm Floyd Chapman, and today we are going to talk about the Lazer Series from solid-state luminaires. The Lazer Series focuses on high-performance super optic luminaires that work for spot, flood, grazing, and wall washing at long distances. Laserline offers you three new technologies to solid-state luminaires, which are color clone, color soft, and color mode. Color clone gives you true color RGBW matching. Color soft provides you with a smooth low trim dimming, and color mode combines both RGBW and tunable white into the same fixture. All these technologies are available in a variety of forms. Their linear series features the Colorline Lazer Wet. Really? Well, good thing it has a unique push-lock waterproof connector system. At 500 lumens a foot and a variety of optics for washing and grazing, 9 degrees, 30 degrees, 80 degrees, 10 by 30, 10 by 60, 15 by 25, 30 by 60, and 50 by 80. This fixture is either in RGBW or color full, and is available in 1 and 4 foot increments. The Laserline Wet, I thought we did this bit already, is the monochromatic option of the Lazer Series, but with outputs at 1100 lumens per foot. Color temperatures range from 2700 Kelvin to 5000 Kelvin. Dimming is 0 to 10 volt, down to 1%. The Laserline HC is a unique fixture with a specific 7-degree optic for narrow grazing applications. The next form of Laserline products is the MicroFlood. This fixture offers 2500 lumens at full RGBW output and all the same optics as the Laserline. Lazer is the final fixture that is great for higher output applications. Lazer is available in white CCTs, 3K, 35, and 4K, and delivers around 7,000 lumens. Beam spreads are 3 degree, 10 degree, 30 degree, 60 degree, 50 by 40, and 10 by 40 degree. This fixture is also available in RGBW, the Lazer W, RGBA, the Lazer A, and RGBW-TW, tunable white, and color. Outputs on these fixtures range from 4,000 to 4,600 lumens. So, think of Laserline from SSL the next time you are looking to light up an exterior facade, column, art piece, or tall building. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon. Bye!
Please be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a thing.